good morning to all of you MSc first year physics student. So today again welcome to lecture series on our subject is the quantum mechanics, and we want to continue our chapter is the angular momentum, and we want to see the next you continue the point, so that is the rising and lowering operator, and number of the few examples already seen in the last few lectures. And today again we want to take on the continue the point, the type third example. So that is the commutative relation between the L plus with respect to momentum operator of x cap or px cap, py cap and pz cap. So L plus cap comma px cap, this bracket already see. Next we want to this L plus cap comma py cap, and again we want to see the next example. So that is the L plus cap comma pz cap. Okay, this example we want to see here. So this already seen the last lecture, and we want to see this second type. So that is the L plus cap comma py cap comma py cap. Okay, if you solve this commutator bracket, you know that the L plus cap value is the Lx plus ILy. So this is the Lx cap plus ILy cap comma py of cap. Okay, and if you solve this commutator bracket, so this is nothing but the Lx cap comma py cap, and next plus I Ly cap comma py cap. Okay, and you know that earlier solving the example, the commutation relation between the this Ly cap and py cap is 0 because is yy is there. So that's why this commutation relation is 0. Okay, again we want to solving this Lx cap and py cap, this bracket result. So this is nothing but the y cap of pz cap minus z cap of py cap comma py cap. Okay, and again distributing of this commutator bracket. So this is nothing but the this y cap of pz cap comma py cap, and again this minus is there, and next commutator bracket is the z cap of py cap comma py cap. Okay, if you solve this commutator bracket, so this is the y cap of pz cap comma py cap, again plus sign is there, this pz cap taken outside, so this is the y cap comma py cap. Okay, and you know that this z cap and this result is again 0, so that is the minus 0 is there. Okay, and you know that this pz cap comma pzy cap, this again 0, so here 0 plus this pz cap, or this is nothing but the y cap comma py cap, this is the plus ih cross, so that the final result of this L plus comma py cap is nothing but the, what is this, ih cross of pz cap, ih cross of pz cap. So this is the final commutation relation of the identity, your third identity, that is the L plus comma py cap is nothing but the ih cross of pz cap. Now we want to solve next commutator identity, which is given out here. So that is the L plus and pz cap, L plus and pz cap. So that is the third identity, this. Okay, you see here, so that is the L plus cap comma pz Z cap. If you solving this commutator bracket, so this identity will become here, so that is Lx plus ILy, Lx plus ILy, comma this PZ cap. Okay, and if you solving this commutator bracket, so that result will become here, so that is the Lx cap, comma PZ cap, and plus this I is there, so this is the Lx cap, comma PZ cap, sorry, this Ly cap, comma PZ cap. And if you solving this commutator bracket, so we want to solving for this, that the distribution of this commutator bracket or solving of this commutator bracket, so this Lx is nothing but the y cap of PZ cap minus Z cap of Py cap, comma PZ cap. So that is the solving of this commutator bracket as like this, plus I is taken outside, and this bracket is nothing but the Z cap of Px cap minus x cap of Pz cap, comma Pz cap. Again distribution of this commutator bracket, so that final result will become here. So this y cap is y cap of Pz cap is relation with respect to this Pz cap minus this Z cap is commutation Z cap of Py, comma Pz cap, and again plus I sign is taken outside, plus I sign is taken outside, and this Z cap of Px, okay, Z cap of this Px, comma Pz cap, and this minus x cap of Pz, comma Pz cap. Okay, or you know that this bracket result also 0 because the commutation relation between Pz. Again this Z cap Px relation with respect to this is the valid bracket, and this result Pz is also 0. Okay, now we want to solving this commutator bracket, so that result will become here, so minus Py cap is taken outside, so in bracket of Z cap, comma Pz cap, and again plus I is taken outside. Okay, so that plus I, and the result of this bracket, which is nothing but the Px cap in bracket Z cap, comma Pz. Okay, and this result, which is nothing but the plus IH cross, so this is the minus IH cross of Py cap, and this result is nothing but the plus IH cross of Px cap, plus IH cross of Px cap. Okay, so that's why the final result of this L minus of this bracket is nothing but, so this I is taken outside here, okay, plus I is there, and in bracket IH cross of Px cap. Okay, and if you taken IH cross is the outside of the bracket, so that is the common sign is there. Okay, and if you take on otherwise this I into I square, that is the minus sign is there. Okay, so we want to take outside, this H cross is outside, then this Px minus Px, and this minus IH cross, so that final result will become here Px cap, comma IPy cap. Okay, Px cap, comma minus IPy cap. So this is the result for this L plus and Pz bracket. Now we want to solve type 4 example, so that the commutation relation for the angular momentum, which is the L plus and Lx, L plus and Ly, L plus and Lz, and again next example we want to solve here. So now we want to see, that is the type 4 example. Okay, type 4 example, and this type 4 example, which is nothing but the L plus Lx, L plus Ly, L plus Lz, L plus cap comma Lx cap. Okay, next L plus cap comma Ly cap, and next L plus cap comma Lz cap. Okay, and if we solve this commutator bracket, so that result will become here. So this is the L plus comma Lx. Okay, now example number this first. So that is the L plus cap comma Lx cap, and this is nothing but the commutation relation. So that is Lx plus Ily comma Lx cap. Okay, and if you solving further this commutator bracket, so that result will become here. So the commutation relation with Lx comma Lx cap plus I taken outside, the commutation relation Ly comma Lx cap. Okay, or you know that this Lx comma Lx, this commutation result is also 0. So now solve this next. So that plus I into Ly comma Lx, and solving this commutator bracket, so z cap of px minus z px. Okay, and comma this Lx cap is there. Okay, and if you solving this, so that is nothing but this taken relation, this again Ly with respect to Lx, and you know that how it is solved, this identity, because the final result we will become here. So minus I cross Lz, how it is come, we want to solve here. Okay, so if you see here, okay, how it is solved. So this is I is taken outside, z cap of px comma this Lx cap minus x cap of minus x cap of this pz comma Lx cap. Okay, and if we again solve this bracket, so this is nothing but the z cap of px comma this Lx cap is nothing but the y cap of pz minus zpy. Okay, and minus this x cap comma pz, and this is the relation with y cap of pz minus z cap of py. We want to solve direct this z cap relation with this. So z cap comma pz cap is also valid. Again this how it is solved, we want to see here. The commutation relation. Okay, this z cap px comma ypz, z cap px comma ypz, again this plus sign is there, y cap of z cap of px ypz, and this z cap of px is commute with respect to this z cap of py, z cap of py. Again take commutator relation, so this minus x cap of ypz x cap pz minus x cap of pz comma y cap of pz. Okay, again this minus minus plus sign, and this x cap of pz, x cap of pz, x cap of pz comma this relation will be take z cap of py comma z cap of py. Okay, and if you solve this commutation relation is there, so z cap this relation with respect to this y cap of pz, so this is taken outside px cap comma z cap comma pz, px taken outside z cap of pz, z cap of pz, px pz is also 0. Now next, this z cap relation with this px is this, so this bracket is going to 0. X cap this result with this, and this is comparing this also 0. X cap of py pz cap here one of the example is there. So what is relation between this x cap of z cap py, this also 0, this py is pz taken is here, so that is the plus pz comma z cap, or taken this py cap is outside. So what is the result is there? So this plus IH cross of px, IH cross of px, and here minus IH cross of py cap, minus IH cross of py cap, minus IH cross of py cap. So that is the final result of this, which is taken as the, you know that IH cross taken outside, and px minus py, which is nothing but the h cross of lz, which is nothing but the h cross of lz. Okay, and how it is come, we want to see again the next lecture. So thanking of you. So this is the result of L plus and Lx cap. So thanking of you. Next point we will be seeing in the next lecture.